One of the best things about Home Assistant is its seemingly limitless options and customizability to do pretty much whatever you want. But this often means that there can be multiple ways to achieve the same end goal, but with different methods, and can be a little tricky to navigate. Take this light for example. Say I want it to come on at 50% brightness at 5 p.m. every day. Do I need to use a scene to do that, or should I use a script, or maybe an automation, or some combination of the three? It's not always easy to work out if you are a beginner. So today I want to take you through the difference between scenes, scripts and automations, what they do and when to use each one. Let's start off with what I think is the easiest one to think about, which is a scene. So what is a scene? Well, the way I like to think about scenes is that they are kind of like a snapshot of how a device looked at a moment in time when it was captured. And Home Assistant can set everything to that snapshot anytime you ask it. So let's say we are talking about a living room, for example. It's like you walk into your living room and you go, okay, that lamp over there is on and set to 50%. The main light is off, the TV is on, and the curtains were closed. And you take out your phone and you take a picture of the room, and then you give that photo to Home Assistant and you say, okay, whenever I tell you, I want you to make the room look exactly like this photo. That's basically what a scene is. Hopefully that kind of weird analogy works. Now, the thing about scenes is that they are limited to setting the state of devices, but they can't access Home Assistant actions or do more complex logic. For example, a scene can set a light to 100% brightness and set its color to red, but it can't turn the light on, wait 5 seconds, and then send a notification to your phone to ask if you want to start playing music. But that's where an automation or a script might come in. A script in Home Assistant is kind of like a script on your computer. It's basically a set of instructions or actions that you want Home Assistant to go through and do one by one. Now, you can have scripts run multiple things in parallel, but for the purpose of this video, let's just say it will go through and do each action one by one until it gets to the end of the script. Now, scripts are great for when the thing that you want to do has multiple steps or actions in it, or you want to add things like delays or do complex choices depending on other factors. It's also great for creating reusable instructions that you want to use again and again in different places or for different devices because they support variables. An example where you may want to use a script would be something like a morning routine where there is a clear set of actions you want to take, like open the blinds and then turn on the bedside lamp, then turn on the coffee maker, then wait 30 seconds and start playing a good morning announcement on a speaker. That's a perfect fit for a script. Finally, automations, the thing that is perhaps most synonymous with Home Assistant and the most powerful of the three, and they are often confused with scripts because they are similar in some ways. So just like a script, an automation allows you to run a set of instructions or actions and have Home Assistant go through and complete each action, and you can also have multiple steps and complex choices and delays, all the same as scripts. However, unlike scripts, automations also support triggers and conditions, which is the thing that makes them automatic. The trigger in an automation is the thing or the event that starts your automation auto-magically. So it could be something simple like start the automation at a specific time or specific day of the week, but it can also be really powerful things like when another device does something, or when a sensor has a specific value, or when Home Assistant restarts, or when you speak a certain phrase. Essentially anything you can think of. Automations also support conditions, which allows you to run or not run the automation depending on the condition you set. Scripts can also do conditions in some of the more advanced actions, but they don't have the condition on the script as a whole, if that makes sense. The most simple example for when you would want to use an automation would be something like motion lights. So when that presence sensor detects movement, run this automation and turn on my lights. And equally, when it stops detecting movement, turn off my lights. So it's reacting to or triggering from another device in Home Assistant and taking the appropriate action depending on what's happened. There's also a difference in the way that a scene, script, and an automation are triggered. So a scene can be triggered by a button on your dashboard or run manually from an action or the scenes menu, and it can also be ran from a script or an automation. A script can also be triggered from a button on your dashboard or run by a manual action or automation. And finally, as we already discussed, automations are designed to be triggered automatically by something else happening. But you can actually also map them to a button on your dashboard or a manual action if you really wanted to. So I gave you some examples earlier of when to use a script, scene, or automation, but it's not quite as clear-cut as saying that you must use an automation for this and a script or a scene for that, for several reasons. But as a general rule, I like to think to myself and ask a few questions when deciding which to use. Firstly, the main one being, do I need this thing to happen automagically, or am I going to have it on my dashboard or run it manually? If the answer is automatically, then you can immediately rule out using a script or a scene and you know that you need an automation. If the answer is manually and I'm going to run it on my dashboard, then I can ask myself, am I just going to be setting devices to a preset state and I don't need any logic or steps? If yes, then a scene is probably a good fit. And if the answer is no, then a script is probably the best fit for your needs. Where it gets a little muddy is if I were to say that scripts and scenes are often used in an automation as part of a larger sequence. And that's where things get really powerful. For example, you could have an automation that will run when presence is detected, and if the light level is below a certain value, apply a nighttime scene. Or if the TV opens and the Netflix app is running and the time is later than 7 p.m, then apply a movie scene. Again, scripts are great to combine with automations to let you create repetitive, reusable pieces of code that can be used in multiple automations. For example, if you have a notification sequence that you like to send to a bunch of different devices with certain formats, you could turn that into a single script instead, and then use that script in all of your automations that need notifications to save you having to repeat each step in every single automation. Hopefully that helps explain the difference between automations, scripts, and scenes, when you should use them, and some ideas around combining them. Again, with Home Assistant, there is no one way that you have to do things, and if you find a way that works for you, then that is great. This was more of a beginner, very high level overview into the difference between all three. If you want to do a deeper dive into any of these in more detail, do let me know down in the comments what you want to learn about, and we can certainly take a look. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Drop this video a like and get subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.